Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to transform any text into a cool and creative typography shape in Canva, all in just 1 minute. So let's get started. First, just open your Canva and then just open any designs that you want. And then next, just tap on apps. Just go to apps and then search for the type word like this. Choose this app and then just open like this, and then next just type your text, and then next just choose your font, and then you can choose the shapes that you want, for example like this, and then just adjust the height, and then when you're done just tap on add to designs or update elements like this. Okay, like this. Just like that, you now have a stunning custom typography shapes ready to use in your projects. Okay, that's it for this tutorial. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.